फॉर द 2026 गाइज जो कि 2026 में एग्जाम दे रहे हैं और मीन्स में अच्छा परफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं, वी वांट टू सॉल्व दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम फॉर वंस एंड ऑल. फॉर दैट वी आर लॉन्चिंग आवर स्मैश PYQ प्रोग्राम जो कि अक्टूबर से जनवरी के बीच में कंडक्ट होगा.
In the span of 4 months, you will be covering 600 plus PYQs. You will be doing the answer writing of 600 plus PYQs. You will be developing the frameworks for more than 200 micro themes, and you will be reading the toppers answers segregated as per the micro theme.
What are those X factor ingredients that you could put in an answer at various sections?
This is the X factor that you need in your answer.
One good source of current affairs. It can be Civilsdaily.
You need to have that X factor in your answer.
With the help of X Factor notes.
This is the best notes you can have.
I used to read their X Factor notes.
The questions are very good and even the answers were very detailed and they were, I extracted a lot of content from them.
मीन्स 2025 इज ओवर नाउ. और अगर आपने इस बार का मीन्स का पेपर देखा होगा तो यू विल फाइंड कि अराउंड 70% ऑफ द पेपर वाज फ्रॉम PYQ माइक्रो थीम. और अगर आप 2026 के लिए प्रिपरेशन करना चाह रहे हैं मेंस की, तो आपके जो मेंस की प्रिपरेशन का जो सबसे पहला स्टेज है वो है कि आपको सिलेबस और PYQs को ग्रिप में करना. और बिलीव मी, इवन वेटरन एस्पिरेंट्स के भी बहुत सारे ब्लाइंड स्पॉट होते हैं सिलेबस और PYQs को ग्रिप करने. और जब वो हमारे पास आते हैं वी हेल्प देम और कोर्स करेक्शन करके वो ब्लाइंड स्पॉट्स हम हटाते हैं. नाउ फॉर द 2026 गाइज जो कि 2026 में एग्जाम दे रहे हैं और मीन्स में अच्छा परफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं, टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम फॉर वंस एंड ऑल वी आर लॉन्चिंग आवर स्मैश PYQ प्रोग्राम, जहां पे आपको स्ट्रक्चर्ड मैनर में सिलेबस और PYQs पे ग्रिप बनाया जाएगा, जहां पे लाइव आंसर राइटिंग ऑफ अराउंड 600 क्वेश्चंस जो कि पिछले 8 साल के PYQs होंगे, कैसे उस पर आप सोच सकते हैं क्वेश्चन देखने के बाद, क्या थिंकिंग प्रोसेस होना चाहिए, कैसे स्ट्रक्चर बनाना चाहिए आपको, कैसे आप फ्रेमवर्क डिसाइड कर सकते हैं आंसर लिखने के लिए, वो सारी चीजें डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट की जाएंगी. एंड शुभम सर विल बी टेकिंग द लेक्चर्स ऑफ दिस. नाउ अगर मैं आपको बताना चाहूं इस बार का पेपर दिखा के कि कैसे पेपर PYQs माइक्रो थीम के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करता है, सो आई विल गिव यू फ्यू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इट. अगर आप देखोगे इस बार का क्वेश्चन हड़प्पा आर्किटेक्चर पे जो क्वेश्चन था PYQs में, अगेन वो क्वेश्चन इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन पे आया हुआ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं आपको दूसरे स्लाइड में दिखाना चाहूं कि फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन का जो भी क्वेश्चन था वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री का, अगेन PYQ में भी आया हुआ है अमेरिकन एंड फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन. अगेन मैं तीसरी स्लाइड पे आपको कुछ दिखाना चाहूं कि लेट्स से दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ GS2 रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल एक्ट 1951. अगेन अगर आप देखोगे 2020 में ये क्वेश्चन PYQs में आया हुआ. सो नाउ अगर आप PYQs से रिलेटेड सारे टॉपिक्स को कवर कर लेते हैं और सिलेबस को PYQs के लेंस के थ्रू देख के माइक्रो थीम की एनालिसिस करके उसके बेसिस पे टॉपिक प्रिडिक्ट कर लेते हो, तो आप एग्जाम में 70% का हिट रेशियो लेके आ पाओगे. नाउ फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम विच इज स्मैश PYQ प्रोग्राम, आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल शुभम सर जो आपको इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में डिटेल में बताएंगे. सो ओवर टू यू शुभम सर.
Okay. So if you see, the program will be having 4 core pillars, right? The first and the fundamental pillar of the program is going to be the live answer writing. So live answer writing as in key from the last 8 years of the paper, that is from 2018 to 2025, we will be writing the answers of 600 plus PYQs in around 50 of our lectures, right? So if you see, this is from our last year's batch where we have done the live answer writing of the previous year questions. So it is not just the passive answer writing which we will be doing, but along with it, we will be doing the brainstorming on these 600 plus questions. Brainstorming will involve application of the frameworks for the particular micro themes, right, to generate the points. So just to give you an example, if you see this particular question from 2023, so underline the changes in the field of society and economy from the Rigvedic to the later Vedic period, right? So in this, there are 2 keywords which involves society and economy, and what they are asking basically ki the changes from Vedic to later Vedic. So basically they are asking you the comparative analysis of economy and society from Vedic to later Vedic. So first of all, with respect to structuring, you have 2 kinds of the structure that you can utilize. The one where you can highlight the subheading and in the elaboration you can provide the comparative analysis. The second way is using the tabular format, right? And then second aspect of the brainstorming will involve the components of the society and economy. So the components of the society will involve the position of women, the governance system, the caste system, right, or the structure of the society or the hierarchy of the society. Similarly, in economics, it will be occupation, trade, taxes, agriculture, right? So based upon these frameworks, we will be generating the points. Similarly, here also, if you see in the economics as well, right? So importance of MSME. So importance of MSME also, we have tried to generate the points based upon the framework, right, where we are linking it to the macroeconomy, we are linking it to the manufacturing sector, we are linking it to the regional growth and so on, right? So in these 50 lectures, along with live answer writing, we will also be simultaneously developing your frameworks, right, for all the micro themes, so that when you get the question on the same micro theme, you will be having the points ready. Okay. The second pillar will involve the value addition material, right? So value addition material will involve your X factor, and the last pillar will involve the toppers answers from that particular micro theme, right? So if you see the notes that we have prepared, for example, this year, right, we have got 2 questions on the constitutional morality in GS2 as well as GS4. So this is in GS2 and this is in GS4. But before that also, in last 5 years, you have got question on constitutional morality 5 times. So in 2019, 21, 22, 23 and again in 23. Right. So on the philosophy of the constitution and on constitutional morality, you already have 5 questions. So we already have written 5 questions, and based upon that, we have prepared our notes as well. Right. And if you want to see the comprehensiveness of our X factor notes, or this is the structure in which you will be getting the workbooks. For example, this covers the micro theme of the pressure group. So in that, at the beginning, you will be getting the answer writing frameworks, right? So apart from the PYQ, you will be getting the framework where you will understand how to introduce the answer on the pressure group micro theme, or how to generate the points based upon the demand. So if they have asked the role of the pressure groups, so you will be using the PIES approach. Based upon that, you will be generating the points. Similarly, for the issues also, you will be using the same framework, like political issues, institutional issues, economic issues, social issues, right? So through this, our brainstorming and the framework generating aspect will also be covered. Then this will be your notes. So the X factor notes are going to be your single point source for all the micro themes. So 100% of your syllabus will be covered through the X factor, and for your entire mains, X factor is going to be your single source of reference. So you don't have to run around the market to get the resources of all the institutions, or to get confused to get confused with respect to the resources, right? And one interesting thing that we have brought into this is, once the notes are over, at the end, you will find the toppers answers from that particular micro theme. And what we have done is we have compiled, or we have segregated the toppers answers from last 5 years, right? So this is again answer of Shruti Sharma on the same micro theme. So role of pressure groups, and the answer written by the AR1 Shruti Sharma. Similarly, this is on the environmental pressure group, answer written by the Medha Anand, AR13 I think, and she had 131 in the GS paper 2, right? Similarly, you can also see the answers of, this is answer of Aditya Srivastava on the similar theme, environmental pressure group, right? So it's not just that you will be reading the notes and you will be preparing the answers, but you will also have the compilation of the toppers answers from which you can get some value addition material, and you can also understand some innovative methods, right, or some brownie points or the X factor points that they have incorporated into their answers, right? And after the toppers answers, we will be doing the live answer writing on these PYQs, right? So the course will commence from the first week of the October, and it will continue for the 4 months. So October, November, December and January. And in the span of these 4 months, we will be covering all the 4 GS papers. We'll be starting with GS2, then we'll cover the ethics, then GS3, and at the end, we'll do the GS1, right? So in the span of 4 months, you will be covering 600 plus PYQs. You will be doing the answer writing of 600 plus PYQs. You will be developing the frameworks for more than 200 micro themes, and you will be reading the toppers answers segregated as per the micro theme, right? So course details and demo lectures, the links of it are given in the description, or you can directly contact our admin team with respect to the Smash Mains or Smash PYQ program. Thank you.